Today I'm cooking grilled mackerel with chili paste or sambal ikan cincaro bakar. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 4 pieces of mackerel fish, wash, clean and cut open both sides from the back of the fish. 10 pieces of guajillo chili, soaked in hot water for 20 minutes. 10 pieces of dry chili, soaked in hot water for 20 minutes. 2 candle nuts, 1 cup of shallots, half-inch nub of turmeric, 1 nub of galangal, 4 cloves of garlic, 3 tablespoons of tamarind water, 2 stalks of lemongrass cut into small pieces, half tablespoon of belacan or shrimp paste, half tablespoon of dry shrimp, half tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. I will be using 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, 150 ml of water, some galangal leaves, which can be substituted with banana leaves, and some turmeric leaves for fragrance. This is optional. The full list of the ingredients and the measurement are in the show more link. Soak the dry shrimp in a bowl of hot water and leave it aside. Next, marinate the fish. Sprinkle the salt on the fish, in between the cuts, and in the stomach. Repeat for all of the fish. Alright, fish is marinated. Leave it aside. Next, make the sambal paste. In the blender, add in the lemongrass, candle nuts, turmeric, garlic, shallots, galangal that is cut into small pieces, belacan, dry shrimps, cut dry chili, cut guajillo chili, tamarind water, and 150 ml of water. Blend for 45 seconds. Alright, this should be enough. See, it is really fine. Now we can go and cook it. Switch on the heat, wait for the pan to heat up, add in 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, Once the oil is hot, add in all of the sambal paste. Stir and cook for 2 minutes. Add in sugar and fish sauce. Continue to stir for another 8 minutes or until the sambal becomes slightly dry and look like a paste. After 8 minutes, see, the consistency is right. Switch off the heat and transfer the cooked sambal onto a plate. Next, stuff the sambal into the fish. Put a generous amount of sambal in between both cuts of the fish until full. Put about 2 tablespoons of sambal in the stomach and rub to ensure the sambal is evenly spread inside the stomach area. Rub the sambal on both sides of the fish as well. Make sure the fish is coated with sambal inside out like this. Okay, this is finished. Put it aside on the same plate. Repeat the step for the rest of the other fish. Alright, just nice. The sambal paste is enough. If there is an extra, it can be kept for future use. Keep in an airtight container and leave in the fridge. Next, wrap the fish. Use 2 pieces of foil as double protection with a large piece below and a small piece on the top. 2 pieces of galangal leaves on the top of the foil. They can be substituted with banana leaves as well. Put 2 pieces of fish. Top up with balance of the sambal. Put the turmeric leaves on the top for a lovely fragrance. This is optional. Wrap the fish. Cut off the hard-pointed stem of the galangal leaves so that it will not poke the foil and make a hole. Alright, one is done. Let's grill it. I have prepared the grilling pan and it is really hot now. Place the fish on the grilling surface. Bend the edges so that it can fit nicely. Set the time for 10 minutes. And cover the pan. While waiting for the fish to grill, wrap the second batch. Okay, leave it aside for now. After 10 minutes, the fish is cooked on one side. Turn the fish to another side. Cover the pan and continue to grill for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, the fish is cooked now. Remove it from the grill. This is very hot. There is a lot of heat trapped inside the bundle here, so please be careful when handling it and rest it on a cooling rack. Do not touch it with your bare hands. Grill the second batch of the fish with the same steps. Now 2 bundles of fish are cooked. Put it together on a cooling rack. This is best served immediately once it is cooked. Let's dish out and serve. It can also be served on the foil as it can retain the heat very well. Sprinkle with cut turmeric leaves. This is optional. They look so delicious and smell so lovely. Let's eat! Oh my, the sambal is very tasty, savory and not very spicy. It goes very well with grilled fish. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!